Hello, little chefs!
Welcome to our little kitchen!
Today we're making
banana ice cream!
Bananas yellow, soft and sweet. They're the star of today's treat.
Yogurt white, smooth and cool. Healthy snacks are super cool!
First, we need to pour the milk into the blender.
Look at those banana slices splash around!
Now let's blend it up in a flash.
This is gonna be so delicious! Honey golden, drip, drip, drip. Just a little, take a dip. Sticky, sweet, yummy treat. Blend it! Blend it! Round and round, listen to the funny sound. Whir, whir! Mmm, cold and creamy. Mmm. Yummy, 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 healthy too. Cooking's fun for me and you. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Little chefs, you're so sweet. See you next time. Bye-bye, friends.